Hello everyone. Today we are going to see the science lesson number 14, class 7, element, compound and mixtures exercise. Question number 1: who are the components? So here is a column 1 and column 2: stainless steel, alloy, silver, metal. Bhajni mixture for milling, it is mixture. Salt, it's a compound. Coal is an element, and hydrogen is a non-metal. Okay, let's move for the second question. Write the name of the element from the following symbols. We have to write the names of the elements from the given symbols. Here is a Zn, means zinc, Cd for cadmium, Ze for xenon, Br for bromine, Ti for titanium. Okay, let's move for the question number 3. Write the name of the molecular formula of the following compounds. They have given hydrochloric acid, means HCl, sulfuric acid's formula H2SO4, sodium chloride's formula NaCl, glucose C6H12O6, and methane, that is CH4. Okay, let's move for the question number 4. Here is a question number 4. Give the scientific reason. Okay, and first question: buttermilk is churned to get butter. Okay, and we have given the very short answer here. You can read and write. Second question: in chromatography, the ingredients of the mixture rise up to the limited height when water rises up to upper end of paper. Okay, and here we have given the very short and exact answer. You can write and learn the given reason. Okay, question number C: a wet cloth is wrapped around a water storage containing in summer. Okay, and here is the answer. Now let's move towards the question number 5. Explain the difference metal and non-metal. Okay, and here is the difference metal and non-metal. Okay, metal and non-metal. 1, 2, 3 and 4 points are necessary for the 2 marks. Okay, next difference is compound and mixture. Compound and mixture. Okay, so here is a 1, 2, 3 points are there, so you can read and write. Okay, now 6 C, atom and molecule. So here are the some points of atom and here are the some points of molecules, so you can write. Now this is the difference between separation by distillation and separation or separating by funnel, and here are the 2 points. Okay, let's move towards the question number 6. Write the answer of following question in your own words. How are the compounds of the mixture separating by the simple methods? So those simple methods are given here. Okay, filtering, shifting, picking, okay, winnowing, okay, and using a magnet. So these are the simple methods by which we can separate, okay, some mixtures. Okay, now question number B: which element, metal or the non-metal, compounds and the mixture do we use in our day-to-day life? Okay, so metals मध्ये iron, aluminium, copper. So these metals we are using in our day-to-day life. Then oxygen, carbon, nitrogen, these are the non-metals we use in day-to-day life. So compounds like the water, salt and the sugars, and mixtures like the air, soil and the milks. So these are the metal, non-metal, compound and the mixtures that we use in our day-to-day life. Now question D, in everyday life, where and for what purpose do we use centrifugation आपण कुठे यूज करतो? So centrifugation is not commonly used in the daily household works. However, its principle is used while making the buttermilk. Okay, so centrifugation is used for making the buttermilk from the curd. When curd is churned using the stirring, the lighter butter particles separate from the liquid due to centrifugal force and can be easily removed. Okay, so next question, where are the methods of separating by distillation and by separating funnel use and why? So here is distillation and the separating funnel. Question E, which precautions will you take while using the method of distillation and separating by separating funnel? So here are the which precautions we will take while distillation and separating funnel. Okay, so in this way we have completed our exercise. Thank you.